Hi everyone, Tanner Bryan with Action Coach Wilco here. For all the business owners out there, I'm personally inviting you to our 2-day action-packed workshop, BusinessRich. In partnership with Action Coach of Austin, our team of award-winning coaches will guide you to work on your business rather than just in it. We've designed BusinessRich to jumpstart your business and ensure you walk away with over 100 ideas that you can implement into your business right away. We are hosting BusinessRich at the Kalahari Resort here in Round Rock, Texas on February 11th and 12th. We understand that this last year has been a challenge for in-person events, and if necessary, we will move this workshop to be 100% virtual. As a special thank you for taking the time to review this video today, we'd like to send you a gift, 357 ideas to grow your profitability this year. Click the link below to receive this checklist right in your email. Thanks again, and I look forward to talking with many of you soon.